everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be trying another mask that I thought it's quite interesting. It looks interesting. I love the packaging of this product. Now it is written Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask for natural coils and curls. So I saw this, I bought this in this scheme, and I actually wanted to buy quite a few products from their range, but I thought, you know what, let's start bit by bit. You don't want to get over excited and then the next thing I don't like the brand and then so I thought, let's try this mask for the first time, and then if we love it we'll buy more products from this range. So I've already washed my hair, I've already pre-poo and then I washed off, so my hair is clean right now. So what it says here, the directions, it says section clean wet hair, apply generously from root to end, cover with a plastic cap and sit under a hooded dryer for up to 15 minutes, or cover with a plastic cap and warm towel and sit for up to 30 minutes. So I don't have a hooded dryer, however I've got a hand dryer, so I'm going to try to use my hand dryer. It's quite thick. I love that it's very quite thick. So I'm just going to apply this on my hair. Oh my god, I left my comb in the bathroom, so I don't have a comb close to me right now, and I'm lazy to go get one. So I'm just going to just section with my hands and apply this. So I have applied the whole head, and what I can tell you is for now my hair doesn't feel anything yet. It doesn't feel soft yet, just soon, but that I'm thinking that is just soon after applying the product. I know some products, they just, the minute you run through the product in your hair you can start feeling the softness. However, it's not the same with this one. My hair still feels the same. It's quite coarse. It feels, yeah, it still feels quite very coarse, but we're going to give it some time. So I'm going to take my plastic shower cap, cover that one up, and then I'm gonna take this thicker cap, cover that. Okay, so right now the time is 10:22 and it says 15 minutes, so 15 minutes should be around about 20 to 11, right? Yeah, that's hopefully. So I'm going to use my hand dryer. So it's 11:06 now, so it's been, so I've had this mask for like 40 minutes. Yeah, so I've had this mask for 40 minutes now. I mean, the African in me doesn't follow instructions. You know, African people, if they say take 1 teaspoon, we're gonna take 5 teaspoons. If they say keep the mask for 10 minutes, we're gonna keep it for an hour. So I was just like 15 minutes doesn't feel good enough, but I've kept it for like 40 minutes now, and I'm about to wash it off. So I had to remove my other shower cap because while I was using the dryer it was kind of like burning. So I decided, let me not damage my shower cap and use a plastic bag. So let's just remove this plastic bag. Ew, okay, so now my hair feels soft. Now it feels soft. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is, yeah, now this is nice. It feels, I didn't even detangle I haven't detangled my hair yet, but yeah, this feels nice. And my curls are popping too. Ooh, okay, this feels really nice. I like this. So I'm gonna go wash this off, and then we'll come back and we see the end result. So now I have washed off the mask, and let me tell you, I love this mask. Like, my hair has this certain softness. Like, I've had products that made my hair soft, but this one, I don't know, I'm just loving the kind of softness that it's giving me. I definitely love it. This is going to definitely be one of my go-to masks from now on. I really love it. And for the price that I got it for 100 rand, and I feel like I can still have about 2 more masks. Yeah, I can still have 2 more treatments. So for 100 rand, honestly, that's a very good pricing. So this is definitely going to be my always go-to mask. I'm always gonna grab this every time I'm in Discam. So now at the back here, what it says is, this detoxifying and restorative clay mask uses the clarifying benefits of Moroccan red clay to remove impurities and product buildup on hair. The shea butter replenishes moisture while strengthening the hair, leaving you with soft, hydrated coils and curls. And then it says shea butter deeply moisturizes, helps and strengthen and protect. Moroccan red clay naturally clarifies and clarifies and improves hair elasticity. Definitely I can feel the elasticity of my hair. It's definitely different. I love this mask. Like, I can go on and on about this mask, how amazing my hair feels. I just love the texture of my hair right now. And it does feel, when it says that the clay detoxifying, you definitely feel that, I can feel that my hair is extra clean, like it's been cleansed, but then at the same time it is not dry at all. So today I didn't even put conditioner. The way my hair felt really good, I didn't have to put conditioner at all. So before I washed off the treatment, what I did is I just detangled my hair, and this is just much of shading that I have. Like, my hair for the past 2 months, you guys, has definitely improved in a positive way. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go on and just do the rest of the business with my hair. But that was it about this African Pride mask. Like, definitely this is a mask to give a try. It's amazing, it's great, I personally love it. But yeah, that was it for today's video. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.